Come with us to go do the tram tour at Halloween Horror Nights.
Miss me? The bitch is back.
Black phone too.
You want to see a magic trick?
Oh, I'm not ready for this one. Insidious. Well, that's scary. Down through the window. All right, Exorcist. This is bringing flashbacks. A Hollywood sign in blood. We got shirts that have that on it. And she got a pin. Look at the pin. Where'd the pin go? Oh, I was like, where's the pin at? We have the Psycho house and you can do a photo op. The next section is the Purge. I love the colors in here. Oh.
Sanctioned by the U.S. government. Any and all. Get this party started.
This one's creepy. Abraham Lincoln. Got this guy. Hello. There's Megan again.
Realize your predicament.
Get it, girl.
I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament.
Another one.
Predicaments and times the
Now we're
same
going
way.
in another Blumhouse
You die
building.
1,000 times, and it always ends the same way.